So, what are the best gratitude journals for kids? Coming to you next. So, this is the 5-minute gratitude journal for kids, definitely geared for children preschool to second grade. So, when you open up page 1, children will draw a picture of themselves and write their name. And there is a Bible verse that you can do throughout the whole time that children are using this journal. It's in 1 Thessalonians 5:18 about everything give thanks. And there are over 60 questions for children to express their gratitude toward God. Like, what land animal do you thank God for? What food do you thank God for? What piece of clothing do you thank God for? Or even open ended questions like, I thank God for, and then letting them decide what they want to thank God for that day. So, there are many questions that can help children cultivate an attitude of gratitude. And I will make sure that I leave the link to this book below. And if you enjoyed today's episode, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. And also be sure to check it out on Amazon. The link is below if you want to take a closer look at it. Let me know what you guys think of it. And we also have other books that you can check out as well. And if you enjoy getting tips, tools, early childhood resources, make sure you join the club. It's totally free. I'll make sure I leave it in the comments below. But let me know right now, what are you most excited about? What do you like or dislike about this journal? Are you going to get it for your kids or maybe your students? Let's talk about it in the comments.